we will learn about the topic poles of a magnet. If a bar magnet is put into a heap of iron fillings, then the iron fillings will cling to it or stick to it. The maximum amount of iron fillings cling to the two ends of the bar magnet. So this shows that the force of attraction of the magnet is the strongest near the two ends of the bar magnet. The two ends of the bar magnet are called poles of the magnet. Poles are the places on the magnet where pull of the magnet, or we can say attraction of the magnet, is the strongest. We can say that the regions of a magnet where the attraction of magnet is the strongest are called poles of the magnet. A magnet has always two poles, whatever its shape may be. The two poles of a magnet are near its free ends. The two poles of a magnet are always different. One pole of the magnet is called north pole and other pole of the magnet is called south pole. The north pole of a magnet is represented by writing the letter N near its one end, and the south pole of a magnet is represented by writing the letter S near its another end. The north pole and south pole of a magnet always exist together. Every magnet, whether big or small, has a north pole and a south pole. It is impossible to have a magnet having one pole. You should know that though the maximum amount of iron fillings stick to the two ends or on the two poles of the bar magnet, some iron fillings also stick to the middle part of the bar magnet. So this shows that some force of attraction also exists in the middle part of the bar magnet, but it is very small. We can use a magnet to find out whether the soil or sand at a place contains particles that have iron. So this can be done as follows. Rub a magnet in the soil or sand and shake it gently to remove the particles of soil or sand from its surface. If some particles still remain sticking to the poles of magnet, then this soil or sand contains particles that have iron. Now we will discuss the meaning of like poles and unlike poles. The same type of magnetic poles are called like poles. For example, a north pole and another north pole are like poles. Similarly, a south pole and another south pole are also like poles. We can say north pole and north pole are like poles. Similarly, south and south pole are like poles. Now, as we have already discussed about that they are called like poles, so we should know that like poles, they always repel each other. Then the different types of magnetic poles are called unlike poles. For example, a north pole and a south pole are unlike poles because they are different types of poles. We can also say that north pole and south pole are unlike poles. Now, unlike magnetic poles, they always attract each other. I hope you understood. Thank you.